Hey guys, welcome to Proformance Unlimited. Today for your Don's team, we happen to have one of our 675 horsepower Godzilla engine combinations. This gentleman chose to upgrade to the Innov8 stack system on here, and man, does this thing look beautiful and it runs amazing. Let me give you a little bit of how we got this motor set up. We have the 7.3L Godzilla block. We have the Molnar H-beam connecting rods in this thing. A nice set of Molly forged pistons. Custom ground hydraulic roller camshaft. We went with the Indy Power Products Cobra style oil pan and front runner system on here, which cleans the look of this motor up real nice. This thing just produced some really nice power, which actually, let me take you over to the dyno screens to show it to you. We got over here, as you can see, we just did all three of our passes. She wound up with 692 horsepower and 684 foot-pounds of torque. Pretty wild, this thing. If you guys are interested in having one of these things designed for your ride, give us a call at 800-267-3940. Thank you for checking in.